Hey guys, JD here, and I just received a recall notice and a factory directed modification notice in the mail for my Ultra 310. So I'm going to show you guys what's in both of these letters. So this is a Kawasaki recall for the main wire harness. So I'm glad to see this. Most of you guys know that over a year ago I found this issue, and while I did get a new harness in my ski, I do think maybe they came out with another harness. I'm not sure because they already replaced mine under warranty. So interesting. What is the reason for this notice? This letter is sent to notify you that Kawasaki has initiated a voluntary safety recall to repair the main harness on certain Kawasaki jet skis listed there. On eligible units, due to variations in the manufacturing process, the splices of the main harness may not be sufficiently sealed and allow water in. We already know this happened to my ski. This can cause corrosion of the main harness, resulting in poor transmission of electrical power. Use in this condition can result in engine stalls. Our records indicate that you have purchased one of these units. So here you can see it says that Kawasaki is going to replace the main harness again. I don't know that I'm going to take them up on this because mine was just replaced and there's no issues with the new harness. I checked it, but maybe they updated it again. I don't know. So I do recommend that anybody that receives this notice does comply with this recall. It's good that they issued the recall. It's good that they owned up to the issue and they're taking care to fix it. And then the second thing I received, this is a factory directed modification for water intrusion. And this is for the engine cover. Looks like they are going to replace this with a new engine cover because water can leak in while it's stored, filling up the engine compartment. So it looks like they're going to install a new cover and seals. All right. Well, hope this was helpful. Hopefully you received these in the mail. If you did not, you can reach out to your dealer directly and give them your HIN number to see if your watercraft is affected, but this does pretty much cover all Ultra 310s and Ultra 160s.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content only on JD's Water World.